Hey, model citizens. Model World here, back again with some more worldly happenings. Okay, today we're going to talk about an attorney that just got charged in a money laundering scheme. So, he was charged from laundering money, narcotics money, that he knew was linked to drugs. So, what I found especially funny was the conversations that followed between the undercover agent, the drug dealer, and the lawyer. So, here is some of the conversation that they had. So, let's see. Asked if he knew anyone capable of laundering around $500,000 of drug money, the dealer stated he knew business people who would do this for a fee. He's going to clean it. He's going to wash it, the dealer told the undercover agent in August 2020. I don't know the ins and outs. He's a lawyer. 2 weeks later, the dealer accompanied the undercover agent, a confidential source, to Mr. Jackson's office on Pacific Avenue in Dallas, where the dealer vouched for the undercover agent's trustworthiness. Still posing as a drug trafficker, the undercover agent told Mr. Jackson that he would need to clean around $500,000 a month. It's straight dope money, the undercover agent admitted. I don't care where the money comes from, the attorney responded. I don't know why I said it like that. The pair allegedly negotiated a 4% fee plus bonus for the defendant to launder the money. Mr. Jackson suggested setting up a shell corporation as well as cash businesses like a coin laundry or car wash that would make it difficult for attorneys to track proceeds. He said he would get everything up and running in 2 to 4 weeks. The pair agreed on a $100,000 trial run with more to come, and the undercover agent departed the office with the drug dealer and confidential source. Here's what the dealer told the undercover agent about this dude. He said, "This dude has been leading us. We are successful because of him. Ray is the bomb. He a thug. He just got a law degree." Oh my God. He a thug with a law degree. That's the dealer told the undercover agent. I bet the agent was thinking, "You right, he is a thug with a law degree," because he's over here just stepping on his oath. You know, the oath that lawyers take. I didn't even know they took an oath. Let me read what this oath say. Okay, so apparently lawyers take oaths, and the attorneys swear an oath to conduct themselves with integrity, uphold the rule of law. But instead, he violated that. But I didn't know. But if they're somehow, I think that whole oath thing is only when it's not always, they're not always held accountable for that oath, because I could say many a time when lawyers don't be holding up the oath, but that's just, that's their little oath. Okay, so this 4% fee, he's getting 4%. If he was doing $500,000, that's a good chunk of change. I wonder how many people he helped over the years to launder money, and the fact that he doesn't care, that he's probably laundering drug money that they sell in his neighborhoods, or people he know, or his mom or cousin. Wow, don't even care. It could be his next door neighbor who he's selling drugs to. He don't know. He missing. He just don't care. Yeah, he thought a whole book at him. It says over the following 3 months, a Jackson law firm bank account made 11 more deposits totaling $285,000 into the undercover DA's bank accounts. Each deposit was less than $50,000, just as Mr. Jackson had promised. Mr. Jackson once again allegedly kept 5%, or $15,000. Oh, so it wasn't even 4%. It was 5%. Hey, when you're dealing with stuff like that, I guess you can get is drug money. A complaint is merely an allegation of criminal conduct, not evidence. Like all defendants, Mr. Jackson is presumed innocent until proven guilty in the court of law. If convicted, he faces up to 20 years in federal prison per laundry transaction. Wait, so each transaction he gotta do 20 years? Wait, it says per laundry transaction. Okay, how many transactions did he do? They told me up front. Let me see. The Jackson firm bank account made 11. So 11 times 20, and that's how many years he gotta do? Stop playing. Just say that man got life and move on. Oh my God. And they talking about it says this is merely an allegation. There's no evidence. This the evidence. They got it in the justice.gov. He going to jail. If this man don't go to jail, I'm gonna be mad. This is the topics is drug trafficking and financial fraud. Yes, throw the whole book at him. Throw the whole book at him and call it a day. What you mean? I understand, innocent until proven guilty, but it seemed like y'all got all the evidence. If I'm reading this right, y'all got the bank statements, the transactions, the deed, the federal agent is there. I just got to show up to the court case. It just proved that this man was tripping. He was tripping. He really thought he was gonna be about that life. Basically, you was, I don't know, like why become a lawyer just to help drug dealers? Like, I don't understand. I really don't. All that hard work. Don't you have to do like 10 to 12 years in school? All that hard work, and you over here helping drug dealers. You couldn't go legit? Let me see. You guys, you got to read this. This is weird. I don't know. It says, let's see. In late November, the undercover agent returned to Mr. Jackson's office to deliver. So, wait a minute. So, he did a trial run first, $100,000. Then he came back. So, yeah, this man set the two deposit of cash of drug money. Yeah, there's no way. I don't see how he can get out of this. I don't care how good of a lawyer you have. If you get out of this, that means the justice system doesn't work at all. Yeah, they have too much stuff on him. Yeah, he's going to jail. So, yeah, don't think. I don't want to hear nothing about other people do this all the time. I get away with it. All I want to hear is about how he decided to become a lawyer. Like, how many years should he get? That's all I want to hear about. How many years do you think he should get? Not whether or not he need to go to jail because he's going, but how many years should he get? Because this whole 20 years for each transaction, this man did more than 5. How much is that? This man did more 5 transaction. If it's 20 years times 5, don't say that. Just say that man got life. Just say that man got life. That's 100 years. Just say life. That's too much. But yeah, okay, that'll be it, you guys. I can't wait till the trial for that one. That's going to be funny to watch. Oh, how the mighty fall, huh? The one that's sworn to protect and uphold the law. But just have a little fun. Goodbye.